Hey fam, welcome to my show. Welcome to my channel. I hope y'all hear that beat in the back. That city girl beat, that city girl beat, that city girl beat, that city girl beat, because you all, we are going to be talking about the latest edition of the Hip Hop Studies Journal entitled The Hip Hop Journal. And this edition, you all, was very, very important to my heart because it is entitled 21st Century BITCH Framework. Hip hop feminism comes of age. Yes, y'all. It is talking about hip hop feminism, addressing the black ratchet girl soul, the black ratchet woman soul, and everything that is black hip hop, and feminism, you all. So you have to tune in for this. So for those who don't know, I am Miss Tori Wheatley, aka that ratchet trap teacher, aka black, queer, and proud of it. So just a little bit about me, but we're gonna get right into it, honey, because the first article that I want to address isn't an article at all. It is actually a letter to Miss Jatavia Johnson and Carisha Brownlee, aka JT and Young Miami of the City Girls. And this amazing letter was written by Kyra March. In this letter of this edition, it addresses and gives homage and respect to JT and Young Miami for opening up the door and expanding what we look at as Black hip hop and Black femininity. Yes, honey, it was spilling all the tea. So, first, I want to address some of the seminal work that was addressed within this letter. And within this letter, Kyra mentions certain songs, certain seminal works, such as Act Up by City Girls, how their raunchy, straightforward mentality broke through the narrative of normalcy, the narrative that women need to rely on men and pull the coattails and hang on the coattails of men. Honey, not the city girls, baby. Because the city girls, they're all about independence. I'm here to reclaim and get mine, and I am going to run this show. Yes, that is what the city girls do. And it's bringing to hip hop and to pedagogy this idea of giving our young women something that they can call their own identity, this identity that stands on the premise of, hey, I'm independent. I am saying middle finger to these norms of femininity and Black femininity, and I'm going to express myself. I want to kind of tie in the idea of Black imaginative or ratchet Black imaginative theory coined by Bettina Love, which talks about more of this idea of expression through ratchet hip hop, through ratchet aesthetics, you all. So this letter was giving me all kinds of life today. And the few days that I have been reading it, because it does give voice and give narrative to those identities that might not identify as this docile Black feminine work. So I wanted to definitely commemorate Miss Kyra March for writing a letter to these two amazing hip hop artists, hip hop entrepreneurs, these women who are really taking by storm their idea of femininity. So shout out to you, JT, and Young Miami, for standing up for Black girl magic and representing your Black girl magic by saying, forget these norms. You're going to act up if you want to. You'll get snatched up if you want to, but I'm coming for mine. So again, you all, if you have not checked out, please download, take it, read it, the entire issue of the Hip Hop Studies Journal, 21st Century BITCH Framework, Hip Hop Feminism Coming of Age. Until next time, family, spread love, spread positivity, spread hip hop. Love y'all. See y'all next time.